Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to jobs and internships, startup list and placement material. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss important updates like this. Today, I have brought startup list or software companies for Mumbai location. Earlier, I have shared startup list for Bangalore, Pune, Noida, and other resources. All I have listed here at the top. So, talking about today's Mumbai startup list, we have at least 250 plus startup list. And what we have their name, their location, and the most important, their company page. For example, if you're looking a job in a particular company of that location, so go to their company website and try to find you have contact details. Okay, try to find career section. Basically, career section is always mentioned at the top or at the footer. So let me find the career section. Yeah, about us, leadership, quality, offerings, news. Okay, so we are not able to find career section in this website, but don't worry, we have a contact details like these. We have their contact details, also we have their LinkedIn contact detail. So you can also visit to their LinkedIn profile and see the list of openings, list of job openings they have posted. So you can check all these like for Java developer, business developer, and many more job opportunities. Okay, so having this list, what you can do, go to their website and try to find career section. Mostly we able to find at the top at the navbar and sometimes footer. So here in this website we have at the navbar, we have to just go to that career section and find the our required job. I mean, these are for experience, and in some websites you may easily find the jobs for freshers as well. So you have to visit. Also you can visit to their LinkedIn. You will also get their contact details, so you can send them cold email templates inquiring about the job opportunities. Visit their LinkedIn profile and see a list of current openings. Okay, in job section. So they have not on here but on the portal. So similarly like these, you can visit as many as you can. Okay, some websites may not work as the list is taken from the internet. I have curated it for you. So here also we get the like career section and the contact details. So you inquire by using their email address, send them cold email. Here you directly have to upload your CV. Once you upload, they will, I guess, they will find correct opportunity for you. So like this you can apply. Let's see some more websites. Okay, this one is not working, so forget it, ignore that website. Let's see, try to find career section in this website. Working here, about us, or hiring. Okay, this the section is only for working. Why fidelity, about us, dynamic, or hiring process, early career access. Okay, so they have already given the details of their job openings. You have to find the correct opportunity for you. Professionals, like this you can visit as many as websites and find the correct openings for you. For example, if you're a fresher and you are looking for fresher jobs, so you have to do some research, you have to spend some time to find the correct opportunity for you. So meanwhile, doing research or finding opportunities for you, if you face any problem or if you need any help, then do let me know. Okay, so here you can see some startups or some software may be global based. So for particular location based jobs, you have to visit to their page and see if there is a list of openings. If not, then you have to send cold email templates to hiring managers, which you can get on their website. Okay, so you have at least 250 plus. Some websites may not work, I will remove it. So you have these resource use for your job search. Also we have more resources here on the top. Go and search job opportunities location based. I will be bringing more startup list. For example, I have to bring startup list for Kolkata, for Hyderabad, for Chennai, and many more. So if you are watching the video till here, so comment for which location you need startup list. I will try to bring as soon as possible. And if you have any doubt, do comment. If you like the video, like and support. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.